Right, I said go.
What's going on, everybody? It's me, Brian D here, and today we're doing the third modification to my 1972 Chevelle. Two modifications being the front chin spoiler and the exhaust. But today we have a set of NovaLux headlights that our good buddy Luis hooked us up with. Behind the camera I have Scott. We haven't left. This is the first video in probably about 3-4 years that I've made, so it's been a long time. It's kind of weird, but we're gonna get into it. So this is my first time unboxing the NovaLux lights. Instructions. But we got a set of 4 here. Scott, I think what's this first? But yeah, I got the LED color shift angle eye headlights. Download the app, you can change the colors. I wanted to go bougie with it. Scott got a pair of the normal LEDs, so his, I'm going to show your car, currently running Dapper, what is it, Dapper 500s?
575s.
575s.
Can't focus. It's all good.
But yeah, we just wanted to change it up, support our man Luis here. This is his company or his sister's company, so show support to the Cali Cruising crew. But yeah, this is my 1972 Chevelle. This is what we'll be working on. So Scott, what's going to be the first step? Because I don't know what I'm doing here.
Well, we're going to remove the old headlights.
Alright, how do we do that?
Screwdriver.
Okay. Yeah guys, these are the angel eye headlights. If it focuses. I'll have halos, color shifting, halo rings. Thank you, NovaLux. I appreciate you. Alright, let's get started. So our next step is to take out the 2 screws that are behind the housing. So one right there, and one up top.
Metal spring right here. Stubborn.
Alright guys, so next we gotta move this metal bracket onto the new headlights. Should just be 1, 2, 3 flathead screws. Alright, so we had a small little, not really issue, but we got a mod. So we have to cut the back side of this housing bracket so that our new lights can come in. So Scott over here focuses. Scott is going to take a Dremel to the back of this, just cut up this back side and make some space. Headlights are in the new bracket. We put the silver ring back around it, connected it, has space, and now it's just reverse from here. Alright, what's next, Scott? Because my camera died, and now we're on my phone.
So we're now connecting the wires to the fuse box. I'm not a big fan of these crimp ones, but it's kind of all I got. And it will still work, so if you're anti-plastic crimp things, well, it sucks to suck. It's in, we'll clean that up later.
So moving on, here's the headlights in. Nice. Huge shout out to NovaLux.
Right, this connects here to the box. This go to each individual light. Like that. And this go right into the stock lights.
Alright guys, so the wires are grounded, all the wiring's connected, headlights should work. So we're gonna test it and hopefully Scott tells me you're good. Yeah. They on. Oh my God. Why did you keep it like that? No. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for Scott for helping me out. He's basically just rebuilding another Chevelle, so it's going to be a great journey. First documented modification to the Chevelle, so stick around. We'll turn this thing hopefully into something cool. Can't wait to make you all happy and or mad because I am ruining a 1972 Chevelle. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.